Hey guys, it's Jennifer Wilson, your guide at Simple Scrapper. Welcome back to the Great Stash Bash. We are nearing the end here, and today I want to share with you 3 tips that you can take with you into the future, and these are things that I see you doing wrong. Mistakes or rules you're breaking, or really rules you're following. And I really think that if you follow these 3 tips, you're going to see so much success and joy in your hobby because you're going to be able to stay organized and feel like your stash is under control. Let's get started. Okay, here's number 1. I see you only using new stuff, new products that you've acquired, whether you're a digital or paper scrapbooker, you're using only the new stuff. And so that's not helping you put a dent in your stash of old stuff. And so what you really need to do is do a mix. You can take some new supplies and combine them with older supplies, or make it a specific challenge for yourself to use more of your stash. You can use the types of challenges from these videos. And of course, we have tons of other challenges at Simple Scrapper inside of our membership where you can get even more ideas for using your stash. All right, number 2, I see you over-organizing. And some of you may not believe this, but I see you trying to find newer containers, better containers, smaller containers, more ways that you can compartmentalize your stash. And A, this takes up time, but B, what it also does is it creates hidden sources of clutter, where you have things so nestled and tucked away that you can't get to them to create, and you definitely can't get to them to declutter and let go of items that are no longer serving you. So your stash just keeps getting bigger and more complicated, and things end up hidden away where you can't even find them. So I want you to maybe think about under-organizing or organizing just the right amount so that your stash is not too hidden and you can make sure that decluttering is a regular part of your routine. All right, finally, number 3, I see you not putting things away. So you create, you have fun, and then you leave everything out on your table. And so next time when you're ready to scrapbook, you feel like, oh, I don't want to put everything away. I don't want to get organized, so I'm just not going to. Or you end up taking that time and spending it on organizing if you're not wanting to procrastinate. So in the end, it ends up costing you more time and you have less joy and less productivity because you just didn't put things away. And this creates this mental barrier that you feel like, oh, I just have to get organized. I'm so disorganized. I have so much clutter. I have so many problems. Scrapbooking is just not working for me because it's too much hassle. But what I found is that if I take that extra 3 to 5 minutes after I'm done creating to put everything away, I return to my table so refreshed and energized, and I feel like I can just dig in. Doesn't mean I don't have other problems that prevent me from getting started, other barriers and other challenges, but at least organization is not one of them. And when you do get that organization bug, you have an opportunity to dig deeper in your stash to the projects that really need a lot of organization. You're not just dealing with the surface clutter and making sure that gets put away. All right, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching and for participating in the Great Stash Bash. Your challenge today is to think about whether or not you have any of these problems, whether it's 1, 2, or 3, and share in the comments below this video which one you're going to tackle. Before you go, make sure to enter our giveaway for a seat in Refresh. Refresh is our 7-day online scrapbooking retreat designed to help you start fresh in memory keeping each and every season. The next session is coming up in April. To win a seat, simply leave a comment on this video sharing your progress in using up, decluttering, or organizing your stash of scrapbook supplies. You may optionally include a link to a blog post, Instagram post, or YouTube video where you're sharing this progress with others. You must be registered for the Great Stash Bash to be eligible. Please check the description box for the registration link and the deadline to enter the giveaway.